Introduction to Criminal Law, Module Code CRW1501, Lecture 1. Welcome to the first recorded lecture for the module CRW1501, Semester 1, 2022. My name is Professor K. Naidu, and I am the primary lecturer responsible for this module. I would like to provide you with a few tips regarding this module and where to find the most important resources for this module. Please log on to MyUnisa. Please go to the MyUnisa CRW1501 First Semester 2022 module site. This is abbreviated as CRW1501 S122. On the welcome page of this site, you will see at the bottom announcements, the 2 compulsory assignments and the self-assessment assignment, the 11 units of the CRW1501 study guide, the Moodle student user manual, and the honesty declaration for assignments. In the left-hand menu of the welcome page, you will also see links to official study material, the 11 study units of the CRW1501 study guide, and a link to the Moodle student user manual. Announcements are used to inform you of any recent developments relating to this module. You will notice that all CRW1501 students of the first semester 2022 are linked to the site. I have already posted several announcements which you must read. Please read your announcements at least once a week. You will find the following official study material on this site: the CRW1501 study guide, the CRW1501 tutorial letter 1013-2022, and other tutorial letters from the College of Law. Additional tutorial letters will be added to the site during the course of the semester. Most importantly, Tutorial Letter 201 Semester 1 2022 will include feedback on all your compulsory assignments and on the self-evaluation or self-assessment assignment. This assignment will be important for exam revision. Please expect this TUT letter a few weeks prior to the final examination for the semester. In conclusion, thank you for watching this slideshow and listening to this lecture. I shall be posting more of these lectures soon.